Why do you need this job?
I am struggling to put a plate on the food. Sorry, to put table on the food. Bora kuna food, table na plate. Wewe ziunganishe.
Take a seat. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In your position.
Dissolve!
Conducting interviews and asking people where they see themselves in 5 years.
Why did you leave your last job?
I didn't leave. The job left me.
Ndugu yangu, do you know, in 100 years, you'll be the generational curse. Your generation will be breaking.
Hizi dreams na chess ziko na mbio sana. Naezeka kiti chini sasa.